All right, we got this really nice OneTigris quick access biometric handgun safe. Very high quality, just has a really nice high quality heavy duty vibe. Has these nice little pads right here to for whatever you set it on to keep it nice and protected. But this thing is amazing. The dimensions of it, the exterior dimensions are 13.5 inches by 11 inches by 3.1 inches. And then you've got the interior dimensions are 13 by 7.2 by 2.2 inches. So it's great. There are 4 different ways to unlock it. And I'm going to show you the first way. You can just use a key right here where you open this up right here by pressing this. This comes up and you just insert the key in there. I'll insert that in right now. And you insert that in, opens right up. You know, and actually, as I'm doing that, I'll just show you the inside. That's how it looks on the inside. Very nice padded vibe, padded down here, nice and padded. And just so you can see like the amount of room it has, I'm going to shut it again, and I'm going to open it. I programmed my fingerprint. It can do up to 100 fingerprints. So I'm just going to press my finger right here. Opens right up, just from your finger. So straight up, quick access. You've also got a password down here. So I'm going to just type in the password. I'm not going to show you what it is, but I'm going to type it in. I may have just messed it up, but we'll see. Yep, I didn't. Got it. And then you've also got in the app right here, you can just open it in the app. So there's 4 different ways of opening it. This thing's just really nice. Also, you want to attach it, say you want to secure it. This is almost like a bike lock type vibe. You attach it in here. You attach it like right here as well as over here, and you can wrap it around something and secure it. That way it's secured and all that. You've also got this charging cable for emergencies. But straight up, dude, this thing is just very high quality, and I highly recommend it to you.